GM is having a sale on 2020 Camaros and 2021 Camaros. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? Matt right here, Lethal Garage, and we're in the Lethal Garage, so welcome. But you may be here to find out, hey, GM's got some deals on Camaros, I want to know about them. So currently, GM's trying to clear off all their 2020 models. Typically, if you go to a dealership and they have the car sitting on the lot, you could probably get a pretty good deal, especially if it's been in their inventory a long time. So go find out. Be like, hey, what cars have been sitting on your lot forever? They'll be like, that one's been here forever. No, they usually won't tell you that, but you can find out. There's ways. That all being stated, you can get the 2020 LS with the current rebate of $1,750 down to $24,245, which makes it the best price vehicle in the sports car, muscle car market. They still call them muscle cars, even though GM tried to position the Camaro as a sports coupe. That being stated, it is cheaper than a Mustang. It is cheaper than a Challenger. It's literally the lowest entry price. The problem is even with the current sale that GM has, regardless of 2020s, they're offering $1,000 off 2021 models, and that goes across all the models in the banquet. And I say the banquet because it's a feast. It's a feast of Camaros, just eat them all. But I did some due diligence to find out, hey, what's Ford running right now? What are they doing for deals? What are they doing for incentives? And GM wins currently with the incentive war in regards to the base model car. This is the LS model car. You can get it for the best price. Close, I think it's $276 a month on the Camaro side, with $276 signing for a lease. That's pretty good if you need a Camaro under 300 bucks. It is an LS model, but you know, you can buy all sorts of aftermarket stuff and make it look great. But that's with the 2.0 turbo, all that greatness. But the EcoBoost Mustang is $27,000. That's quite a bit more. But where it flips around the other way back into the Mustang world's win is the base model GT, like, so the equivalent to a 1SS Camaro, or the Fastback Premium, which is the equivalent to the 2SS Camaro. Ford wins. They are cheaper by anywhere from $700 to $1,000+. And the higher end models, it doesn't really matter, but you can get $1,000 off them. But I think if you know how to swindle and finagle things at a dealership, you can get a better deal going through all that. So that's what's going on in November for Chevy sales. Unfortunately, it just seems like they don't want to sell cars. So if you look at their sales for Q2, and even coming into Q3, they have not been stellar. Unfortunately, it looks like even for Q3, they're down almost 33% over last year. And then their total year sales of cars is dramatically lagging behind the competition. So I think GM just doesn't want to budge on their price. I think they probably can and should, but unfortunately, they're not moving that many Camaros. They are selling more Camaros than Corvettes though. That's something interesting to denote. But there you have it. If you want to go save $1,000 on a 2021, go out to your dealership, go look at your favorite car, pick it up. If you want to save $1,750, go find that LS Unicorn model that's probably sitting in the corner at the lot and see if it looks good to you. That's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you on the road.